JD Camp 26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we finished the Jolly Roger actually, model, Hex Mex the Spot. So I'll bring you in, show you the model. This model was kind of difficult for me. The hinge broke off over here. It's kind of a thin type of plastic they use. Painting it was a lot of fun. Show you over here. And the Canon. I used black and green on the Canon. And the bones. And I wasn't sure about the sail. Some people do it black. I decided to do it yellowish white, because that's what sails look like when they're old and tattered. And there's the skeleton. The skeleton, I didn't do much with the bones. I could have done a wash on it. I may do it later on. Let's see how this works. So I lifted the door up here. Let's see if I can release it. Oh, it's supposed to go like that. So you put them down like this, and it goes like that, and stabs the map. I think I'd probably make this kit over again, or just add to this kit, like some paint on the skeletons, and that's what it looks like. I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope you rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for new videos. Going through kind of a tough time right now, so all your views really help me. I really appreciate them very, very much, and you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.